7, 8, 9. Okay, it has to be here. अरे ये क्या हुआ? अरे भाई आजा. Oh no man. Silk song. आजा भाई. आजा. अबे स्टीम ही नहीं चल रहा. भाई मेरा स्टीम ही नहीं चल रहा. भाई स्टीम ही नहीं चल रहा. अब चला रुक जा. अरे भाई. सिल्क सॉन्ग. कुछ तो आया था भाई. भाई 880 रुपए. भाई कुछ तो आया था भाई. सिल्क सॉन्ग 880 रुपए. ओ माय फकिंग गॉड ब्रो. आया. क्या मतलब कमिंग सून? भाई क्या मतलब कमिंग सून? Oh no man. Are you telling me it's delayed again? Bro, I'm going insane. So, आया भाई आया. अबे क्लिक क्यों नहीं हो रहा? आजा भाई. अरे यार. भाई आ क्यों नहीं रहा? आजा ना. भाई. थोड़ा सा और. Just a little bit more. Oh. Oh, it's real. Oh my god. It's real. Oh my god. Start again. Oh my god, it's real. Brightness 100%. It should be fine, I think. It's real. Oh my god, guys. They see your beauty so frail and fine. They see your pace woven of faith and toil. They forgot your heart bound in slumber and servitude. When you wake, they shall see your truth. The beast nature bare to all. From Farloom Folly by conductor Romino. Oh my god, man. I'm so excited, bro. अच्छा ये तो वो वाला ओपनिंग सिनेमैटिक है जो ट्रेलर में दिखाते हैं उन्होंने. कहाँ ले जा रहे हैं इसको? Oh, finally free, I think. ओ भाई पूरा तोड़ दिया. Act 1. Farloom. Oh. Is she dead? Are you dead? हाँ ब्रो इमेजिन अगर वो हमारे सर पे गिरता तो oh oh man the movement is a bit different from Hollow Knight I think भाई वो तो छोटे छोटे लोग आ रहे थे इसको लेके वो कहाँ गए their body should be here too oh look at her hop throw Moss Grotto. Man, this is just so beautiful. Okay. Man, just look at this lake, bro. Wow. अरे अरे यहीं से तो आए थे हम नहीं नहीं इधर बंदे दिख रहे हैं मतलब हम यहाँ से नहीं आते अबे ये क्या क्या मैंने अच्छा जंप करके मारेंगे तो टारगेट होता है सही है भाई भाई वो लोग पीसफुली खा रहे थे ब्रो हमने मार दिया उनको I feel so bad अभी क्या हुआ We're weak पेट में दर्द हो रहा है क्या अरे उल्टी आएगी शायद उल्टी आ रही है पेट में दर्द हो रहा है I think ठीक हो गया अब ऊपर ऊपर कैसे जाऊं मैं I think we'll get some ability later oh 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 cannot go here okay अबे जंप क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा मैं भाई जंप क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा मैं okay bro I almost don't want to kill these but I guess I need the money. अभी ये क्या है? अंगूर कैसे तोड़ूं मैं? Bro, I really want these अंगूर. ये अंगूर मेरे को दे दे. Fuck, bro. I want to explore this area first. ओ भाई फिर से पेट में दर्द होने लगा फिर से पेट में दर्द होने लगा भाई इस बार तो मौत ही आ जाएगी लग रही है फिर से ठीक हो गई cool, man. The way she sits, not shits. Wow. ये क्या हुआ भाई? Moss mother? भाई. Fuck भाई. भाई क्या मैं गया. भाई वो कैटरपिलर इसके बच्चे थे क्या? अभी क्या उसका What the fuck? I got this. Watch this. What's this? What's this? Yeah! Sorry, go away! अरे भाई अरे भाई हील तो करने दे देता. I'm so cooked, man. Okay, I'll give this one more shot. Second phase, I think there's okay, no second phase. Okay. Ascend. अबे ascend कैसे करते हैं? मैं भूल गया. Hollow Knight पे कैसे करता मैंने? भाई पेट. What? Bro, I did not like that witch. There is some kind of witch there. वो उनको पका के खाने वाली है, I think. Bro, what?
Hey, come on. Hey, look, I'm Papa. Guru Catello.
Up with you. Up. I won't have you dying on my floor.
Jo Manel.
Awake at last. You should mind your strength, traveler. There is no use of wasting energy on old nobody like me.
Nesvir?
I see that now, madam. My welcome to your land has not been kind. I had reasons to be wary.
Oh, Alelo.
So you are another pilgrim then, scuttled out of the darkness to climb the greatest path and now bow at its glided peak.
Buenera.
I am no pilgrim, I am hornet, and I arrive in your land by no choice of my own. इसको पकड़ के ले आए थे भाई. I was brought to your kingdom by force, captured by strange bugs clad in veil.
Memero.
How curious, the bugs of citadel at the summit of our land. They veil themselves in service to their faith, or perhaps as slaves to something greater.
Nesvir.
Then I shall seek their citadel. If these veiled bugs would go to such lengths to bring me here, I intend to find out why.
Oh, alelo.
Oh, ferocious, intimidating, yours is no pilgrim spirit. You are the bearing of a hunter. Welcome then, fierce traveler, to Farlum, our holy yet haunted land.
Finel, fineg.
Before you depart, permit an old bug a brief warning. Best keep that weapon drawn. Our kingdom is crippled by a curse that its path grows wild and dangerous, and though some still attempt the climb to the citadel and its crest, none return to speak of what they see. The Great Citadel. Ascend through the land of Farlum to reach Citadel at Kingdom's Peak. View objectives in the task screen of the menu. Okay. Bro, she have terrible posture, bro. I wanna see if she have some other dialogue.
Cardelo.
You bear your blade well, hunter, and your skill, no doubt. You have skill, no doubt. So I don't mean any unkindness when I say you still seem a little frail. हाँ भाई पेट में दर्द हो रहा है मेरे. I was a long time spent captive, bound by seals. Strange to me, my strength is diminished, but recoverable. By the time I reach the citadel, I'll be ready to face what waits. Bro, I like when she does this. कोई बेंच वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा क्या इधर? Oh, that was nice. What? Bone Bottom. I have seen this place in the trailer.
Hello, me Bioko.
A fellow pilgrim, are you about to start your great journey to the holy citadel up top?
Hironare.
I am no pilgrim, sir, though it seems we will be traveling a similar path.
Sentoso.
Not a pilgrim? Well, it makes no difference. I suppose we all must walk the roads up and up, though most of us will fall long before we see the grand gates. If you are wise, you will stop here and rest for a while before heading out into a dangerous world. ठीक है भाई, जो तू बोले. It's a campfire, but they don't have any fire. They just have bugs. That's crazy, bro.
Gerga.
Oh, traveler, destined for the citadel. Yes. Well, before you embark, won't you stop and make trade with an old pilgrim?
Yanara.
I would see your wares, madam, though I fear I may have nothing worthy to offer in return.
Becca.
Oh, worry not. If you lack fine goods to trade, we can barter still. In this devout land, we deal in currency of faith. Rosaries, those fine carved beads of prayer. If you will only share some with me, I will trade you something fair. Okay. Magnetite brooch. This stone's a beauty, isn't it? They say it will help you gather up rosaries on the road ahead. You will come back and share some with me, won't you? I won't be. Just a piece of something greater, but finely crafted. You should take this with you, traveler, for luck. I think this will be useful, but I don't think we can afford it right now. Okay, we cannot afford anything. That's crazy, bro. We're broke. Simple key. We'll need this too. Rosary strings. Keep him safe so you won't go losing them. Might seem a simple art, but take some talent to keep him properly secure. Cannot buy it. Fuck.
Fadastama.
Wait, this is your building, sir. A sign of some kind?
Mochanga.
Aye, you're a sharp bug. A wish wall. It's part-time. This old camp had one. As the resident fixer, I have taken it upon myself to sort it out. They're a popular thing about Farloom wish walls. Useful too. So many prayers left unanswered. Give him a place to go. Okay. कुछ मिस किया क्या मैंने?
Mia-sama-sa.
Oh, you have come to hide down here too. Then, this a fearful world out there. If you can keep quiet, I don't mind you joining me.
Benny Frank.
You have chosen a curious place to rest, ma'am. This pit of bells and the structure around it, they suggest a station for travel, though one long abandoned.
Santa so.
A rumors in the camp say these bells run throughout the land, great vines of them forged by our ancient kin. And some even say bugs used to travel through them in gilded carriages, no less.
Benito Yoko.
Surely such fanciful travel would be a sin for us pilgrims. We must walk and climb and crawl using our own meagre claws. Only thus we can prove our devotion. Oh, I can. भाई मैं घंटी बजा सकता हूँ भाई. That's crazy, bro.
Santa so.
I would still. Down here, you cannot hear the cries of pilgrims, so only the faintly ringing bells. I'll stay and meditate a little longer before I start my own pilgrimage. Okay. I'll be heading out then. भाई हम कुछ एक चीज कलेक्ट कर रहे थे ना एनिमीज को मार के, वो कहाँ गया हमारे? There is literally nothing up there.
D'un enfant sur le Miavel.
Miavel. Oh, hear me pray, please hear me sing. My path's ahead, but here's the thing: I cannot squeeze past, O gate of bone. So please wake up and help, O.
Mio fene?
Why do you sing, little one? This bony gate seems like a poor audience.
Danaka Revendo.
Oh, but of course I sing. I am Shirma, a pilgrim just like you. I hear the call of the great citadel, just like every other devout soul. But look here, as soon as our scared journey begins, we are tested. This huge gate stands between us and way forward. Only sorry guys, मेरा light चला गया था. We're here again at Bone Bottom. We're here again at Bone Bottom, bro. मेरा light ही चला गया. कहाँ गए थे हम पिछली बार? इस साइड गए थे क्या? इधर ये गाना गाने वाली लड़की मिली थी और हम ऊपर गए थे. ये आया था हमको मारने और हमने इसकी गांड मार दी थी. फिर हम ऊपर गए थे, फिर हमने इसको मारा था, and then we went here, then we went here, and then we went here, 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 और okay, I think I can heal now. अरे भाई, okay. I still need to figure out वो काला काला चीज क्या है. Do you think I should jump? Oh fuck, boss आ रहा है कोई. Okay. Okay. क्या ऊपर से आएगा? Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. भाई मैं भी मरा और वो भी मरा, दोनों साथ में मरे भाई. Fuck bro. ओके, इस बार मैं अच्छे से खेलूंगा. What happened here bro? वो गाना गाने वाली लड़की नीचे है. भाई इसको जाके बोलेंगे कि इसके गाने गाने की वजह से ऐसा हुआ है. Oi, did you see that? Red Maiden, the Great Gate heard my song and its infinite and ancient kindness opened the way forward for us. Yes! आपके गाना गाने की वजह से ही ऐसा हुआ है. What luck for us to meet at this moment. We can set off on the great road ahead together. Yes. Or perhaps I'll tarry here just a little longer. I want to sing a song of gratitude to this noble gate. You should do that. I am Sherma, by the way, just another humble pilgrim, just pilgrim like yourself. If you ever need assistance on the road, sing out my name and I'll sure find you. And my lucky chime are at your service. Oh fuck, मैंने अपना heal waste कर लिया. अच्छा, these are those currency things, man. We got only 12. Oh, insert rosaries. Should we do it? I'm doing it. Oh, अभी ये क्या है? 3 घंटी. अच्छा, चेयर. Nice. Man, this just looks majestic. Pilgrim, you are blessed to walk the foundation of Falun. Humble yourself before the shells of those who gave their lives to hold our kingdom weight. Pilgrim, you are blessed to walk on the foundation of Falun. Humble yourself before the shell of those who gave their lives to hold our kingdom weight. Okay, so this is some kind of memorial or something. I don't know. The Marrow. अरे इस गेम में हमको कुछ मैप वगैरह नहीं मिलेगा क्या? Like there is no Cornifer and Isolde in this game. क्योंकि काफी दूर तक आ चुके हैं, हमें अभी तक मैप नहीं मिला कुछ किसी टाइप का. Hollow Knight में कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल्दी मिल जाता है. I really hope इस गेम में Zelda हो bro. I miss her thick butt. तुमने हील वेस्ट कर लिया ब्रो? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
Barishkava.
A native of those fiery lowlands approach. Have no fear, my friend. We fleas are but humble travelers.
Da, Fenestra.
Well met, sir. Though like you, I am not of those lands. I am merely journeying through.
Kavak Katsa.
Oh, I'm a kindred spirit. It's good luck for wanderers to meet on an unfamiliar path. And now that we have met, know that I am Flea Master Musaka, leader of this caravan.
Yanaga Muske.
Our journey has barely begun, but you are most likely to tarry here a while, stranger, where ways are dark and winding. Good bugs must stay close together. I cannot read, man.
Paramos.
Dodshena. I am saying welcome to our caravan, stranger. Caravan मतलब ये लोग इस गेम का कुछ टैग स्टेशन टाइप का कुछ है ये लोग. You are very funny, very strange flea, isn't it? No fur at all, and your wings fall off.
Bombard.
Har 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 har. It's just jest, of course. Us fleas famous for giving jokes.
Dah Taliban.
Dodshena, stranger, you are looking a little tired. हाँ भाई मेरे पेट में दर्द कर रहा है. Is it unhealthy? Is it? You can rest with us if you wish. It's nice and dark and warmth from below, bringing good health. Still, you should make care not to stay much long. You are not flea after all. Okay. इन्होंने बोला कि इनके पास कैरावान है, मतलब I can use it to go other places. तो ये लोग इस गेम के स्टैक स्टेशन टाइप का कुछ है. Can I use their caravan though?
Barishkava.
But if you give them space, they leave you alone. They respect beast. You respect beast. Beast respect you. पर पैसा कैसे मिलेगा भाई? बीस्ट को तो मैं रिस्पेक्ट कर लूं, पर मेरे को पैसा चाहिए.
Barishkava.
The beast here, much frightful, scary. Okay, अच्छा वो सेम डायलॉग है. Do you have anything to say?
Barishkava.
Stranger, will you hear my worry? This time has come for us us fleas to find each other and travel together, as had happened through generations before. The many fleas of this kingdom should be flocking to our caravan, but times have become dangerous. You feel it too, yes. Our poor cousins out there, I'm in hiding.
Humta. Osh.
Could you help us find these poor lost fleas? We daren't continue our journey until some of the people dares have found their way here to us. Wayfarer, the lost fleas, promise. ठीक है भाई. The lost fleas, wish promised.
Paravost?
Do I understand you rightly, stranger? You will help gather the lonely fleas to our caravan, truly?
Yanara.
I'm traveling these lands for my own reason, Flea Master. However, if I happen upon any fleas on my travels, I will aid them the best I can.
Ushkar Mitri.
Oh, I could ask for nothing more. They must all be hiding or stuck in dangerous places, but if you rouse them, they are sure to find their way here to us. May the kingdom bless your travels, keep you safe, stranger. You are welcome to rest here with us whenever the roads bring you back. Okay. I think that will be all. For this video. Stay tuned for more Silk Song. Bye.